On May the 6th, 2023, just after 9 a.m., San Francisco Fire Department, National Park Service, United States Coast Guard, and the San Francisco Police Department Marine Division responded to reports of two surfers being swept out to sea off Mile Rock off the San Francisco coastline. National Park Service and San Francisco Fire Department rescue swimmers deployed from land and made contact with the two surfers who were being swept out to sea roughly 3/4 of a mile off of shore. San Francisco Police Department Marine 1, San Francisco Fire Department Rescue Boat 1, and the United States Coast Guard helicopter arrived on scene. Both victims were transported to the Hyde Street Pier, where awaiting San Francisco Fire Department paramedics evaluated the two. The two will be okay. San Francisco Fire Department reminds all to know the conditions and know your limits before going out to enjoy our amazing recreational areas. San Francisco Fire Captain Jonathan Baxter.